Hi there, Chris Merlin here again. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at MA Lighting's media server, the VPU. The VPU is a powerful solution for controlling, modifying, and playing back videos, images, and 3D objects. The VPU is completely integrated in the MA family. For an MA operator, the VPU is seen as a video output unit, just as an NPU is seen as a DMX output unit. Control of the VPU is based on the well-known GrandMA 2 user interface. This means if you know your way around the GrandMA 2, you can jump right in and start to work with the VPU. The programming philosophy of the VPU follows that of a modern moving light. Choose our fixture, choose our content, set dimmer to 100%, and we have our video. Thanks to close integration in the MA family, configuring and setting up a VPU is fast and easy. There are no special ArtNet or CITP settings necessary for complete functionality, including thumbnail exchange. With the MA VPU, only the best hardware components are chosen and installed with typical MA quality. For the VPU Plus and Basic, all components are installed in a swing frame with no solid points to the outer chassis. This makes the system extremely sturdy and tour ready. Both the VPU Plus and Basic systems come installed in a 5-space rack mount case. The front panel of the VPU Plus has a display for configuration and preview. The Basic version comes with no display. Both also have two USB 2.0 connections mounted on the front for keyboard and mouse. Taking a look at the back panel, we see 3 dual-link DVI outputs, all containing switchable EDID managers. For audio, we have 2 balanced XLR outputs with a ground lift switch. The 2 gigabit Ethercon network ports take care of MANet and pixel mapping. For data transfer, we have 2 high-speed USB 3.0 ports, 1 eSATA port, and 1 USB 2.0 port. For input purposes, there is an optional double HD SDI input card available with an extremely low latency of 2 frames. The VPU Lite is a little brother of the VPU family and comes in a compact 2-space rack mount frame. The front panel contains a 2-inch display for status information and 2 USB 2.0 ports. The back panel contains 2 DVI outputs, both dual-link, and 1 VGA output. Also here, all outputs contain switchable EDID managers. For audio, again, 2 balanced XLRs with switchable ground lift and 1 SPDIF for digital output. Network is also the same as the larger versions, 2 gigabit connections for MANet and pixel mapping. And for data management, 2 high-speed USB 3.0 connections and 1 eSATA port. A very important note here, all members of the VPU family use the same software. The systems only differ in their performance, not in their functionality. The MA VPU can display images, videos, and 3D objects. Also, there is a built-in text ticker. To maximize power and playback efficiency, VPU uses exclusively the MPEG-2 codec for video playback. The exact specifications can be found in the online help file under Content Specifications. The VPU also supports different image formats and a maximum image resolution of up to 8K. WAV and MP3 audio files are also supported. Each MA VPU is delivered with 17 gigabytes of content. More content can be purchased online. There are, however, some free test files available on the MA website. Now let's take a look at how to connect on PC with our VPU. Check in VPU that the IP address is correct. And then check the IP address in OnPC as well. Now you can load the VPU demo show with all markers checked. When loaded, let's navigate to Setup, MA Network Control, and start a session. After that, we'll go to Setup, MA Network Configuration, and to the VPU tab. Here we can add a VPU, which should automatically be detected. Then we can invite the VPU to the session. After that, we click the Edit field and check that the output and resolution are correct. The VPU and GrandMA 2 system allow for fast and easy integration without any complicated setup. We'll take a more in-depth look at the VPU in the next videos. For more info and for all software downloads, visit malighting.com.